Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I have something new from Mellif. They sent me that bug zapper that runs off the 20-volt DeWalt, and it was awesome. I love that thing. This is a jigsaw that runs off the 20-volt DeWalt batteries. Now I don't even actually have a jigsaw right now, so this is going to come in pretty handy. And being battery powered for out here like we are makes it really good. So let's take this thing out of the box, check it out, and we'll try it out, see how it cuts. Let's open it up here. Looks like it comes with a blade. That is a long jigsaw blade. I think it's made for cutting trees or something. Big long blade. We have the saw, and it looks like it comes with a fence. That's pretty cool. Let's take the saw out of here. I mean, that thing feels good. It feels just like a DeWalt brand or something. I mean, it feels like quality. Kind of got this rubberized part here, the rubberized coating on all the black stuff here. This nice big head on it, perfect handle grip here. Check that out. So it definitely feels really, really good. Then we have the saw blade and the manual. Super cool. So it even comes with a dust collector that you can connect your vacuum to. I like that. It's adjustable angle here, so we just release this lock, and then we can adjust the angle, which is cool. So we can set it on a 45. We'll lock it back straight for now. Very cool. On-off switch right here on the side. Then we have these adjustments here that will tighten the blade on this little wheel right here. And over here we have our speeds. A. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then A. So it looks like to put our blade in, we'll flip this up like that. Got a little shield there that flips up. Slide our blade in from the bottom. Need to make sure we have this adjusted back, I guess. And then we have a little release right here, the lock actually for the blade. So we push it forward, slide our blade up in place, and let go of it. And that feels real good. It feels solid. Very cool. Fold that shield back down. And our fence actually go in here, like so. The marks on it are in centimeters. We can measure with a tape measure too and set our adjustment to wherever we want it. We would measure from here to the blade, and that'll get us the width that we want to cut off. Then you can just tighten it down with these right here. And they got springs on them, keep them from backing out. Super cool. But this thing it's got some weight to it. It feels real good. The cool part is it runs off a DeWalt 20-volt max battery. Just like that. That's a 5 amp hour. Looks like you could put a 6 on there, no problem. Or even the smaller ones. Turn this. Set the slowest. Just like that. Our adjustment. Speed adjustment. So on and off works good. It's easy. No problem there. Put it all the way up on. Nice. Okay, I'm going to take this thing and try to cut this little board here. See how she does. We'll start it off on 1. So we have, on the speeds, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have automatic. Let's go ahead and try it on automatic and see what it does. Works good. So what it looks like it does is on automatic, when you put it on A, is it starts off slow, and then if you need more power, it automatically boosts the power up for what you need. I mean, that cut real good right there. You could hear it when I pushed on it harder, it automatically kicked the power up and started doing better. So let's try cutting this 2x4 with it on automatic. I mean, power is no problem whatsoever. Tons of power. Let's turn this thing down. Let's turn it down by halfway. Let's turn it down to about 3. That should be about halfway. A lot slower. It still cuts good, just a lot slower. Yeah, that's good even on 3, so plenty for that. Of course, 2x4 is pretty thick, but you do cut 2x4 sometimes with a jigsaw. Got on number 1 right now. We want to do some slow, delicate cutting, like so. Works really good. So yeah, I think this is a plus. It runs good. Seems like plenty of power. I especially like the automatic, just because it starts out slow. If it needs more power, she'll just kick it up. If you go slow, it don't kick it up. If we push harder, like so, once I pushed hard enough there, it kicked it up and know it needed more power. Kicked it up, runs good. So, I mean, that thing does great. So using batteries is a nice option. I don't have a jigsaw anyway, and this is going to come in handy for what I need. So I could also hook my vacuum on here if I wanted the dust collection, but nice to have the dust collection. Super safe. It's got a nice guard on it. And of course, it does have the fence you can put in it if you want to use the fence to do nice measured cuts, but good looking. Seems like good quality to me. Works good. We'll just see how long this thing lasts. If I get to using it and I have a problem with it, then I'll mention it later in a later video. But so far, seems pretty good to me. It feels real good. It feels like quality. It does have the adjustment here where you can adjust the angle. So you loosen this up to unlock. It says lock and unlock. Loosen up to unlock. You can push it forward, tilt it, push it back into position. Once you get it to, say, 45 like you want, pull that back and lock it, and then you're solid in that position. So underneath this, when you can just pull this out and take this out, and there is a screw right inside here. If this happens to not tighten up solid, where it's solid, you don't want this moving. You can adjust this screw right here on the bottom, tighten it up a little bit. It's just not quite tight enough probably, and that's why it wouldn't be solid. Slide this back into place, and we're good to go. But there you guys go. That is the Mellif model number JS-DCB20. Works good. I like the different speeds you can set it on. Definitely like the automatic. That comes in pretty handy. I will post a link below where you can check these out. This Mellif company makes a lot of different tools that work off the DeWalt batteries. Like I have the grinder, which I'll be doing a video on. I have the bug zapper, which is really awesome. I've used it. I made a video on it. It's super cool. I really like it. Thank you all for watching. Check out the links below. Click the thumbs up, subscribe. Catch you on the next video. Right on.